Hi there, this is Jonathan from Spotahome, London. Today I'm in Isle of Dogs. It's a residential neighborhood in East London. The nearest station is South Quay with DLR, but you also have a Canary Wharf station with DLR and Jubilee line. This is a 3-bedroom apartment on a 3rd floor. I'm going to show you 1 bedroom. So here we are. This is the entrance. Here we got a mirror. This is room number C, B, and room number A is just there. But here on the left first we got the shared bathroom. So we got here a bathtub, the sink, small cupboard, and the toilet. And the boiler is just inside that closet. So this is the shared bathroom. And so here to the left we got the kitchen. It's a little bit compact, but you got everything you could need. Alright, so let's have a look. That's the dishwasher. Here we got the washing machine and dryer. And that's the electric stove and oven. Then you have a kettle, toaster, the filter, water filter, the microwave. Here we got kitchenware, fry pans, pots. Oops, sorry. And here plates and glasses. And this is the fridge with freezer at the bottom. So this is the kitchen. There's enough space for storage for 3-4 people. And this is room A, which I think is the biggest room in the apartment. So as you can see, it's really spacious. We have some shelf here, bookshelf. We also have a sofa, 2 tables, the double bed, a desk with a chair, chest of drawers, big one, it's really big. There's the wardrobe with mirrors. And the thing that I think I like the most from the bedroom is that you have lots of windows everywhere. Have you noticed? So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you have amazing views here because that's Canary Wharf. And if we go here, you can also see, so that's the O2 as well, North Greenwich. So you have amazing views from here, from your room. So this is room A. Also available for couples. And here we got the dining room. So we have a dining table, some storage space as well, and we got access here to a small balcony. And you can see, well, we have a chair here, as you can see, and the views here to, as you've seen before, from room number 1, so from room A, so to Canary Wharf. And so that's again the O2. So that's all. So that was the 3-bedroom apartment in Isle of Dogs. As you have seen in the video, the apartment looks nice, it's in good condition. And the things that I like the most from the apartment, actually room A, the one I show you today, it's really spacious, and as you see in the video, has lots of windows, and so you have plenty of light coming in. And you have amazing views to Canary Wharf and North Greenwich. And you also have a sofa, a big chest of drawers, a desk, so it's a really spacious bedroom. It's perfect for a couple. And even if the kitchen is not so big, but anyway, we have just 3 bedrooms here. You also have the dining table with a balcony, so it's always really nice to have in a flat share. And the area here is really quiet, but at the same time you are so close from Canary Wharf where you have the main station there. You have a really big shopping center, but also here in the neighborhood in Isle of Dogs you have a huge 24-hour supermarket, which is always really convenient. And anyway, you wanna find out anything else, go to spotahome.com, you'll find everything there. This was Jonathan from Spotahome London. See you next time. Bye bye.